Friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we will learn about users. So here you will find all the details related to users. You can find the first name, last name, username, status, last login, logout, location and IP address. You can export this data by clicking on this export. Choose the file format, Excel or CSV. Let's choose CSV. Alright, so once you click on this, the file will be automatically saved and exported to the desktop. Now, here we have this pen icon for this particular data. If we click on this page will appear. Here, you can edit the details as per the requirement. Let's say the number has been changed, so you can edit the detail here. Or maybe the login details you want to edit, you can edit it here and click on save. Just click on save. See, you have successfully edited the data. So that's all about users. Hope this helps. Thank you.